Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for October 24, 2018. Today we're looking at the AUDUSD, the Australian, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Looking here on the daily time frame, we can see that this currency pair for quite a long time has been in a downtrend. Let's just measure the very top of the trend. We're looking all the way back to January 26. We capped out at the top of the trend, January 26. Quite a long time. We've been in a downtrend. We're below the 100 period moving average. We're below the long-term black trend line. It's still a downtrend. Let's not fool ourselves. We have seen, though, within the long-term downtrend, many times where the market pulled back, corrected, retraced, and went back up. You can see all the little short black trend lines showing those periods where there was congestion, retracement, pulling back, and correction. We have been in somewhat of that phase down here at the bottom of the trend, the blue trend line. Now it's been just a little bit of a short hop up, but now falling back down underneath that short blue trend line and what is the blue shaded area. Let's go ahead and zoom it in on this area down here at the bottom of the chart, and let's take a look at this blue zone. Is 0.7100 at the bottom of the blue zone, 0.7120 at the top of the blue zone. Studying that area, go back in time a little bit, you see the green circle showing historically that was support. It was where the market found a base of support, turned around and went back up for that little correction period there. Then it came back down, broke underneath it, and made a new low. Then it found a couple of days of resistance there, fell back down, got above it, used it for 6 or 7 days as support, and now we're right back underneath that 7100 level. So historically, we know that support can help us identify future resistance, and here we are holding underneath this 71 level as resistance. We also know that that specific price value or price level, 0.7100, that 7100 even price handle, can act as a resistance as well. So we have historical support and resistance. We have that even price level acting as resistance. Just Fibonacci of the last leg of the downtrend. The most recent high we've seen right up here into this purple shaded area, the most recent high, let me just put a black X there. Right there where the black X is, from that high down to the lowest low, puts the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level at 0.7105, which happens again to be the bottom of our blue shaded area that we're studying today. So it's not too difficult to surmise that as long as it's underneath that blue shaded area, we're looking for it to be resistance. And we're looking for the potential of it falling back down to the green zone. That's exactly what happened right here on the left hand side. The risk is pretty easy. You just don't want it to get back above the blue zone. So for the day today, it's not too hard to see that as long as it's under the blue zone, it's a difficult place to buy. More likely, you're looking for a short opportunity underneath the 0.7100 level, targeting the green zone or potentially a new low, which may be down here to the pink zone. We'll study that a little bit more in the live trade room later today. And again, your risk is just above the blue shaded area, because you just don't want it to get back above there. Stop loss is above the blue zone. Now, if you're a buyer, if you're thinking this is time for the upside for the Australian dollar, then I think you must and you have to wait for it to break through the blue zone before you decide to take the long shot for the Australian dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.